Hey guys, Ollie here with my friend Tommy. So today we're gonna be in the summer carnival. The first game I'm gonna show you is carnival darts. And you need to spend 5 gems to play most of the games. And you also need to hit the phantoms.
Or they're going to eat your bows.
So they don't eat your darts.
See, Ollie only has some darts left. So he has one more left, and then he's done. Or he has 2 more. Now 1 more.
Okay, this is my last dart. I hope I make it useful. Yay!
Now he's going to leave the game, and
Let's see how much tickets I have. Oh, 678.
he can buy stuff from the ticket store.
Like this. You can also buy some stuff for your pets. Now we're going to play something called Wreck a Phantom. You spend 5 gems to play most of the games.
And you have to hit you don't hit the red and black, but you hit the white, black, and just gold. And white. You can't hit the red and black ones. Phantoms.
Now I got 14 tickets.
So guys, this is the summer carnival. It's really fun. And now I'm not going to play some of the game. Ali's going to hold the camera. So this is his account, and so I don't want to go on my account, but now I'm going to play some foosball. For 5 games. So you're going to try to see the phantom ball, see your arrows, you're trying to hit it. See, I'm going to hit it in the middle, and when you go to the top, it's a lot of power. So I went to the top, I just got 300. And now I'm going to go another one. I'm going to go to the top. The top is the best because you get all good coins, but sometimes you have to aim right. Ah, that's bad. Ooh, got 250. That's good. Oh, are you serious? This game gets you mad a lot too. Like you're so close to one, and then like it just missed it. See, now I just got 48 tickets. It's really fun.